Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today I'm very excited to show you my garden. Most of my garden is full sun, and of course what I was missing, plants that grow in shade. So I made this little corner with few plants that growing in shade. Last fall I planted the medium. I have Helleborus bleeding heart, ligularia right here, and beautiful ferns. One of my favorites, Japanese forest grass. This is all gold variety, and Siberian bugloss. It's done blooming. We just have few tiny beautiful flowers, but leaves are gorgeous. And this Japanese maple, it's supposed to be kind of pink, but hopefully it will get there in a few years. When I got there, it was just tiny twig, but it grew significantly. Hostas. This is the first hostas I have in my garden. Really like the color. Some alliums still blooming. Heucheras behind. Japanese painted fern. Here's it's supposed to be dwarf lilac, but it grew significantly, almost 7 feet tall. More double knockout roses, Japanese forest grass again. Daffodils already passed, and we have a full row of heucheras here. Live the purple. Beautiful David Austin rose. It's actually broke, but still blooming from this broken branch. Clematis vine. Hopefully it will fill in a few years to cover the trellis. Lilies are just coming up. Irises are almost done blooming. I'm actually planning to redo this flower bed. Some updates to come. And also I decided to extend flower bed and plant a few tujas. I'm gonna remove sod and make wider flower bed in here. Catmint is coming. Some geraniums. And of course, peonies. This is beautiful Barzella, Ita hybrid peony. Siberian irises, geranium. Balloon flowers are coming out in phloxes. Those dwarf irises are done. Phloxes have started blooming now. Poppies are almost gone. Oak leaf hydrangea More peonies. I didn't manage to put some support. It was kind of late, so they a bit floppy. Irises before. Daylilies will start blooming soon. Salvia, tree peony, of course, long gone. They're also covered in blooms early in the spring. Red hot poker is coming out, about to bloom soon. And my dahlias, actually, I didn't dig them up last fall, but they survived and coming up nicely. Aloe Millennium, and there's a petite rose, double knockout petite rose. That's why I'll be expanding my flower bed as well. I planted this last fall, the sedums. Dwarf butterfly bush. Well, lavender is about to bloom as well. Salvia. And echinacea. We'll continue up the stairs. A bunch of hookers here. Some of them really loved by rabbits, so I'm protecting those. Because they've eaten a lot of them this year. Another clematis, Rebecca. The atlases are coming out. And now we're close to Ethiopians. Okay. Zebra grass this year decided not to have stripes yet. Oh, here's some stripes, okay. Another Ethiopian. It's practically done blooming. This place is going wild like a jungle with a lot of echinacea, which actually seeded itself a lot. Some lilies coming up. Japanese maple gone wild too, so I'm planning to trim it this summer. Another heuchera, caramel. I love the color. And some heliborises under the yew. I have Encore azalea, but it's also practically done blooming for the spring. Hopefully it will give us next spurge of color in the fall. Another stretch of caramel heuchera. Azalea also done blooming. Russian sage is coming up. Japanese anemones, salvia. Oh, this guy's passed as well. Double orange lilies will come. And butterfly bush. So maybe we'll show you this part. This is also like a jungle out here. This is daylilies pinch. I have so many varieties, well, relatively many, maybe close to 70 different varieties of daylilies. And when they bloom, it's such a burst of color in here. So a few more heliborises under the yew. Irises are almost done blooming. Daisies are spreading, have to contain them. I'm so happy rabbits didn't get to these lilies yet. Amsonia is still going strong. Baptisia, beautiful. I think rain sort of affected it a bit. Oh, here I have another Baptisia. Chocolate something. I forgot the variety. And peonies. beautiful aloes. Now we're back to staircase, some delphinium. Another just a dwarf lilac. White queen aloes, almost gone. Green cascade Japanese maple. Some pinicito. Oh, we have a tiny hydrangeas picking up this year. Here is my Rose of Sharon page. It's beautiful when it's blooming. And the weeping spruce tree in a container. Did really well last winter. I love the bluish needles. And clematis I planted last year behind hydrangea. It's doing pretty well. Bleeding hearts. And this is last area. Mint gone wild. I actually have it in the pot, but it is escaping the pot and I have to control it. Sage gone wild and blooming profoundly along with chive. I have few herbs in here in raised pots so critters can get to this. And remember I told you I was missing some shade plants, so I planted some here. Solomon seals. This is cute one with really bright red stems called ruby slippers. Couple of pots with pansies, hosta. Hosta showed up out of nowhere, just grew in here. I actually really like it. We used to have a lot of hostas like that a few years back, but I dug them out and gave it to friends. So this guy was like dormant under the ground and all of a sudden popped up. And it's beautiful. I'm gonna keep it. Hydrangeas, roses. And we're back where we started. Hope you enjoyed fun walk around my garden. Happy gardening!